Hello, everybody. Just wanted to talk to you about Finviz, which is a fantastic website for anybody who's a beginner or aspiring trader or even veteran trader to grab information about the general overall market and also about a particular stock. So if you go to finviz.com to use their free version, just to go straight to the website and you can see at the very top here, you got the list of the Dow, NASDAQ, and S&P and what they're doing on the day. Towards the middle of the page here on their homepage, you can see the top gainers and the top losers for the day. There's also some really good information throughout the site about insider trading, any other instruments like futures and forex. But basically, I like to use Finviz to get the general kind of market direction for the day and also run my scans. Right, so you can just go to the screener tab here. You can build your own scanner. So, for example, you can say, I want something that is, let's just say market cap. Let's just say large cap with a float of, over, let's just say 500 million, the price under $30 per share. And then let's just say, it's up. Let's just say 5% on the day. So now what I've done is I've narrowed down potentially a voluminous amount of, stocks down to just one based on that particular criteria that I put in the filter. And so it shows up Transocean Limited under the stock ticker RIG, R-I-G. So if I click on it, now I'm actually on the page showing just this particular stock. You can see a long-term trend. And then you can see some basic information about the stock. Some analyst ratings, so it looks like it's been kind of beaten down by these analysts. Here you can see the news, right? And then if you scroll down, you can see some basic information about their earnings, so income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow. And at the very bottom, you can see some insider trading. So you can see that there was some insider trading back in March. This director bought 5,000 shares at $1.45 per share. So let me show you one of my scanners once it's complete. So I have a penny stock scanner that I like to run a couple times a day, and this shows me, there's 4 that have, currently up 20% that are under $5 per share with a volume traded of at least 1 million today, right? The other thing you can do is you can look at, another scanner where you can set up, you say, okay, I want 52-week highs that are micro cap, again, under $10. And you can kind of slice and dice any way you want with respect to how you want to put the filter in. Okay. The other thing I like to use Finviz is just to kind of get a general idea of the sectors. So you can see here this week, the energy and the consumer cyclical sectors are kind of taking the lead for the month as well. And then you can see it broken down by quarter and so forth. A number of different things you can do with Finviz that are very, very valuable, very useful, and really I would say just as an aid to whatever you're currently doing. But if you're looking to build a trading plan, you're looking to build a watch list, you're looking to build some sort of process, Finviz is one of those great valuable resources that you can use. I suggest that you get onto the website, start playing around with it, start navigating through the various different tools that they have here. But I think you'll find it very, very valuable. And like I said, it is really more just an aided, tool in your tool belt as you're kind of building your trading process and going along with your trading journey. Feel free to post a comment. If you'd like to learn more about Finviz or learn about anything else. Love to hear from you guys and hope you're doing well. Have a good day.